Guys, so I thought it would be kind of fun today to draw a cicada. I know it's the final drawing of the final drawing project of the year, but maybe we could take this a little bit further on our own or sometime during the week and actually make a paper sculpture or something else in the form of cicada. Right now where I am, the cicadas have finally hatched. They emerge every 17 years. And the forest is just buzzing with cicadas right now. So I thought it'd be kind of fun just to do a little quick drawing lesson. So we're going to start by creating, I'm going to first switch out of this pen real quick. Okay, we're going to start by creating a little oval like this. And I'm actually going to kind of round off the oval and, sorry, I'm going sideways here, kind of round out and flatten the bottom. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm erasing this side, and kind of making this little gumdrop shape for the head. So once I've created that gumdrop shape, I'm going to actually make a little U shape like so for the body. And it looks a little bit fatter in the example, so if you want to round it out a little bit more, you can. So we've got our little cicada body here. I'm going to make it kind of round off the edge a little more. So from here we can draw our little arms coming out. So I'm going to draw a little arm coming out over here. And I'm going to draw another little arm coming out over here. Then we're going to have the little leggies here coming out. And another little leg coming here. So we're going to have about 6 legs total. Next up, we're going to draw the wings. So the wings are kind of cool. They're going to sweep in, come down here, and they're going to overlap the legs. And I'll do that on this side now, where the wings are going to come in, out, down like so. And I'm also going to make the really the bug eyes here. Okay, so now I'm going to make a new layer. I'm going to switch pens and I'm going to just go to black and outline this so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. So I'll start with the eyes and make that a little bit smaller. You can see how I'm turning my paper. Makes it a lot easier to draw. And we're still going to see the body and the legs through the wings, because the wings are clear. And I'm going to draw the details for the wings in just a second. So now I can start to draw the wing detail. I got a little bit here, a little bit there. Like so. And there's our little cicada guy. So, and then I'm gonna just switch to gray. Fill that in. You guys can see. Oh, didn't mean to do that. So the reason why that happened was that wasn't fully closed. Just working that. Make sure that shape is closed too. Go back to gray. Go back to this layer. Nope. Nope. Wrong layer. We'll just turn that layer off. Alright guys, and that concludes how to draw a cicada. I'm not sure if you have them out in Michigan right now. Maybe you do. They're pretty loud. They kind of sound like like a weed whacker. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you had a great year and you have a great summer. Bye, you guys.